Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna talk about if-else block of code, if-else statement. Now, when you will use this thing? Well, every time when you don't wanna cover that last possible option with if, you're just gonna say else. Okay, so this is like default, only one possible solution, the last possible solution. So let me explain. Let's say you have a couple of these if checks, and as you know, up till now they are very specific. But if they fail one after another, there must be something else that is accurate, and in programming you must cover these edge cases. So after else, you don't need to type these normal brackets, because that will basically mean that you need yet another if check. So no needed. When you reach the end, the check is not needed, because what is left? The only one last option. So after that, you're gonna use just operation, because there is no more options. So this is just a stupid pseudocode. So let's go to practical example. Let's say that your salary, like your monthly check, equals $5,000. So if check is bigger or equal to 5,000, you are going to print or tell yourself that I am happy this month. Okay, and of course end line at the end. But if your salary drops below $5,000, which suck, then you need to say else in that case, and you're really not that interested in how much they dropped your salary. You're just, angry. So you're just gonna say cout like, dude, I need to change this job. Okay, because you're just fed up, you don't want to work for less than 5,000. Anyway, let me test this, and I'm happy with this month because this is thing from reality. And if they boost your salary to this amount, which is nice, then you're also very happy, even excited, and you can cover that with a couple of these if statements. But overall, when for some reason you don't work, I don't know, just half a month, and they change the salary to 2,500, then everything which is in else will be activated. So do they need to change this job because you don't like something anymore? So that's pretty much it. This is just last backup option that exists and nothing else. So let me transfer this in an example where we are going to grab things from keyboard. Like, let me think. Cout, please enter monthly paycheck. Please enter monthly check. And you're gonna flush things to new line, and you're gonna grab this number from keyboard and you're gonna put it into a check container. So after that, if the check is bigger or equal to 5,000, I don't know, you're gonna say cout, I'm gonna speed up here, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, something like that, who cares? And else, if you're not happy with this number, you're gonna say here below this bracket, or even you can in C++, you can have it in continuation with command here. And then you are going to say cout meh, something like that, end line. And let me test this example. Please enter monthly paycheck 5,000. That's fine. Okay. Now let's enter another number. Please enter monthly check. Only 2,000. Meh. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now C++, as I said, is forgiving. See these lines here, how they are down, they are aligned like, but you can also use it like this. C++ basically doesn't care. You can construct your source code like this, no problems. Okay, it will be ugly, maybe not readable, but it will still work. So let me test that. 2000, there you go, it works. So I don't like how this look like, but I'm just showing you the C++ is very flexible. So can you have these on individual lines, like almost concatenated? Well, you can also do it like this, yeah, and like this. Let me arrange this a little better. And this thing will also work, but it will be unreadable even with 2 lines of code. And rebuild, monthly salary, 5,000, that's fine. So I hope that you understand this up till now. So just stick with the basic examples. If you're confused, don't grab stuff from keyboard, just practice with a couple of these. So that's just general rule. If you don't understand on a first look how something works, then simplify your life and you will be fine. You know, there are the days when you just don't grasp some things, so just leave it for tomorrow or week after, something like that. Depends how much time you have. Anyway, I'm gonna stop babbling. Thanks for watching as always, and see you next tutorial.